All right, next one up is this Triumph 900 Scrambler. This belongs to Hawkeye Moto. He's just bought this up, gonna do it up, customize it a bit. So he wants it cleaned first. It's got our work cut out for us with this one. She's a little filthy. So we're gonna get this all minted up. We're gonna get some XCP corrosion protection on it, get all these spokes all cleaned up, get this chain, all this old crappy chain lube off of there, re-lube it back up. More than anything, get some corrosion protection on it. You can see that there, all that white, that's where it starts corroding. These are carb caps all corrode as well. Once we've done that, we're going to do a two-stage machine polish. Got quite a few little marks on this tank, so should be able to get those all off of there, get it all glossed up, get it protected, get it looking like it should. Hustling today, doing two at the same time. Nice little bit of Snowfoam to loosen up any contaminants before we start scrubbing. Okay, Scrambler is coming along nicely, absolutely gleaming. Such a transformation. Look at that exhaust come up like new. Each and every one of these spokes have been scrubbed. This does sit in a garage, which is a bit damp at the moment, so he wants to make sure it's properly protected, so everything's been misted with XCP, all your suspension linkages, all your fixings. Now we're going to crack on with a bit of paint correcting. Don't know whether, oh God, you can see it. It looks like a freaking spider webs. Good old Triumph soft paint. Every little mark shows. It's pretty bad. We're gonna do a two-stage machine polish on that, see if we can get rid of some of those scratches, and then we'll treat it to some Ultimax Signature Pro ceramic just to keep it properly protected. Other than that, this bike is nearly done. What a transformation. There you go, just over 2 hours. This Triumph Scrambler 900 has been fully trotted and looking freaking sweet. Oh my goodness, what a transformation on this beast. Just did a two-stage polish on this tank. Look at that. I managed to remove all those marks. Nice bit of depth to it. We then treat it to the Ultimax Signature Quartz, which is a self-healing ceramic, so should help it against any minor scratching. Look at the gloss on that. Good old Cartec polish, you can't go wrong. That had a 3000 and a 9000 polish. Managed to remove most all those marks, and look at the depth. It's like a mirror. Anyway, this bike is done. Rowan, she's all ready for you. On to the next.